Hello everyone, ito na naman si JP ng Programmers Developers at yung gagawin natin ngayon ay susubukan natin kasi naka-lockdown tayo, wala tayong magawa. Susubukan natin mag-deploy ng React app sa Azure. So tingnan natin kung gaano kadali or gaano kabilis gawin to. So, okay, let's start. So, first off is gagawa ako ng React app using create React app. Simplest one, create React app, sabihin natin React app, super quick lang yun. So nagki-create na siya ng React app. So i-download mo niya yung mga dependencies. Hopefully hindi ito masyado matagal. So tapos na siya. So yung gagawin natin is, well, ini-skip na lang natin, but so na-create na yung React app natin. So, i-open natin siya sa VS Code. So, yung pangalan ng app natin is React app. Nothing special there. So, we're opening it in VS Code. Tapos, so, nandito na tayo. First thing na gagawin natin is npm start. So, this will spin up the server, the dev server, para makita natin kung anong laman niya. What mapa, fake news. So I'm guessing that would be on port 3000 siguro. Yep, it's there. So yun, ito na yung React app natin. Now, how do we actually deploy this? So, i-deploy natin to. Syempre, hindi natin itatapon yung server doon kasi nasa local natin yun. So, yung gagawin natin is i-deploy natin yung actual files. Pero, hindi ito yung i-deploy nating files because if you look at this, hindi pa ito actually yung files na gusto nating ma-send doon kasi hindi pa to optimized. If you look at this, yung default is parang yung still normal na na React/JS code tapos CSS code. Na yung gusto natin is yung optimized, which is yung nangyayari once nag-npm build tayo. Run build. npm run build. So, what build does is i-compile niya yung lahat ng to, well, tons file, into more optimized production ready format. So, or form. So, nandito sa baba, creating an optimized production build. So, once that's done, pupunta sila dito sa build na directory. Although, yung nandito pa lang yung mga public assets, wala pa dito yung actual na files natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng HTML, CSS, and JS files. There we go. So, nandito sila, static, and then JS. So, ito yung mga JS files natin. So, like, so much packed in there. Oops. But you get my point. So, naging optimized yung code natin instead na siya, parang mabigat. So, it loads more quickly. So, we'll close this all. Now, everything in this build folder is what we will be deploying to Azure. So, to create, this is just a simple static site. To create a simple static site in Azure, we'll be using the Azure storage. So, login muna tayo kay Azure. So, pupunta ako sa portal.azure.com. Loading. So, I'm going to create a resource. And then, I will search storage. Nope. So, i-open natin is yung storage account, which is blob file table queue. Now, so they unified the different storage types into, instead of just Azure Blob Storage, we have as Azure Storage Account, which has a bunch of differences, pero I'll leave it up to you to search for it. If you want to learn more, check out Microsoft Learn to learn more about all of these. It's free, by the way. So, create natin. And then asks me for a resource group. Put it in here for now siguro. And then I'll create a storage name. Sabihin React app. Oops, React app. React app. I don't know. Okay, so Central US, I'll pick, I guess, Southeast Asia. There we go. Standard, yeah, that's fine. Jordan char. That is kung you can fine-tune your redundancy options. Syempre hot tayo. So hot. Okay, advanced. Nah, we don't need much of these. Networking, nope. Yes, ito importante. Public endpoint, review and create. So we should be able to create this. Secure transfer required. Wait lang. For network, for advanced, for now, right? Kasi not sure what will be encountering na issues. So let's just set the security off for now. And then we'll create. And after that, after this is deployed, pupuntahan natin yung resource. So deployment is still in progress. This shouldn't take too long, I guess. Tapos mapakita to dito, or you can also check dito to go to the resource sa notifications. So it's still being created. Let's just wait for a while. And it's done. So yun, makita nito may go to resource dito, and dito din may go to resource. Let's go to resource. Now, okay, so this is, you can pick what kind of storage you want. Pero ang gusto ko dito is meron tayong simple way to create static websites. So if you search static in here, meron tayong settings, static website. Yun. So you have the option to enable or disable it. In this case, we're going to enable it. So index document name is, I don't know. So tingnan natin. So index.html, so yung default. So tingnan natin, index.html. Ayun. Error document path, wala akong anything. Wala akong document path for the errors. Usually we would have something like 404.html, pero wala. Wala siyang generate, so that's fine. Then we'll save this. So ito yung magiging location niya. Ito yung magiging URL niya once it's created. Okay? But currently, it doesn't have anything. Let's see what's inside once i-open natin. I don't think there's anything there. Yep, content not found kasi wala siyang laman. Now, para magkalaman to, we'll click that web. Makita nyo, balikan natin. This $web link, we'll click it. Dito natin ilalagay yung files natin. So, we'll click upload. Yeah, that's fine. There's nothing we need from there. So, punta tayong, projects, React app, build, send over all of these. I-upload natin yung iba na nasa loob ng isang folder. So, static, open, pero upload to folder. So, ano ulit yung folder? Static, CSS. Okay. Tapos, uploads. Next is yung mga JS files. So, back tayo konti. JS files. Static JS. Upload. Uploading. Yep, uploaded. Next is yung media. So we're going to upload it to static media. And that creates the complete set. Right, so may static tayo, CSS, JS, and then yung media. Now, so this should be okay. Now, we can then use the URL. And there we go. We have just deployed our React app as a static website. Now, obviously, hindi ito yung perfect na URL, but this works. You can just buy a domain and then point it to this. Pero this makes it super easy to actually create your own static website with Azure and React. So that is for this super quick video. If you have any questions, just comment on wherever I post this, and then I'll try to answer as much as I can. Thank you, and see you all next time.